The bumper bar on this is completely corroded, and if you look just in there, you can see the head of the bolt is rusted and damaged coming from this side. So this one has freed out, but the inside one here hasn't, and it's the same on this side. There is, see that, all rusted away, and that one's absolutely terrible. But I'm just going to show you what I used to take off bolts like that that have heads that are badly damaged. This is the kit I have. So they're called twist sockets, and I have them from 8mm all the way up to 21, and that's a 12. I'm going to see if I can get one of these to fit on and remove it. So I'm going to try that now. So I have my 12mm twist socket, and I'm going to use my 3/8 extension, and then I'm going to tap that on with the hammer, and the claws on the inside of them twist sockets should grip and allow it in a way that I'll be able to twist that away. So I'll try that now. Head is 8. Looks like I'm going to have to drop a size. So I happen to find an 11mm. So I'm going to try that now because the 12mm was actually slipping. And as you can see there, the twist socket has actually gripped it and it's starting to move it back. So we'll be able to take that bolt out now with this. And we're able to successfully take out all the bolts without any damage to the threads, and all we need to do is get new bolts for that and it'll be all good. So as you can see there, it got a good grip on it and I tightened into it. And if you see the design of it there, it just has enough to grip, and it gets a very good grip as you twist back, and it allows it to hold it. A vice grips in that area or trying to wedge on a socket wouldn't have done. So while it's not something you'd use all the time, they are a very, very effective bit of kit in your toolbox. And there's a couple of the bolts that was removed. As you can see, they're in a terrible condition, but with the twist sockets I was able to successfully remove all of the bolts on that bumper bar, and it led to no additional time being wasted, and it was all solved in a few minutes. I have a couple of the kits here. That is a Toledo brand that I bought when I was in Oz. This is a Virgin kit that was bought here in the workshop and kept in the workshop. Difference in the two kits is this has more pieces. This has an 8mm and a 21. This has an 11mm though. So between the two of them, I pretty much have a complete kit minus a 20 and minus an 11mm. And that is it. I will link in the description these kits. I'm sure I'll be able to find them for you, so I will put them in if anyone's interested in that. I would highly recommend putting this in your kit if you don't have one. I've only used it a handful of times over the last few years, but each one of those times I don't know what I would have used other than cut the bolt out completely. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.